Hello, my name is Michael Kibler of DeLuxe Typewriter Company, and today I'm going to be showing you one of my machines that's up for sale on my site. That is a Royal Quiet Deluxe portable manual typewriter, serial number A-193-76604, made in 1948. And this is just such a great little machine. It's perfect for traveling, for typist on a budget. I mean, it's great. This thing is made of lightweight rolled steel and some sheet metals in there, and to give it that strong, durable look and feel, along with lasting survivability and a great look, and very lightweight in my opinion. This video is misleading, but it's really, really small. A lot smaller than a lot of the portables that come through my shop. And it also comes with a very nice red interior case, and all the chrome is redid on the lock. You see it up here. Look how nicely polished that is. And fabric has been cleaned on the case. The inside's been redone too. The case has a nice paper holder up here, and it has a nice 4 latches that latch onto the feet on the underside of the typewriter for maximum security. Alright, let's see some of the features of this beauty. Besides being amazingly portable, one of the most amazing features would be the glass keys. And I stress this in every video that I have glass keys in. Glass keys are the most amazing type of variation of typewriter keys on the market, in my opinion, because they offer a touch that's unprecedented in the typewriter world, in the typewriter community. I mean, it's just so smooth. It's like you're typing on clouds. It's really nice, and offers almost like a massaging effect on your fingers. People call me a little weird for saying that, but it's true. Anyone who knows about this agrees with me. So, also the chrome on the decals have been done. This entire typewriter has been cleaned, oiled, the entire process. The rubber has been redone. It's been refinished. And here's the Royal decal, and the Quiet Deluxe decal is up here. And yeah, some other features of this machine include manual and automatic ribbon reverse down here, magic margin, that would be up here, margin release down here. Oh, there's one feature that I really like. It's called touch control. What Royal did was they understood that everyone has a different level of typing, different strength, as if you will, typing. And what this lets you adjust the the tension of the typewriter springs directly under the typewriters to allow for a firm touch if you have heavy hands, like if you're a guy, or light touch, which if you're very light, a very fine control, or if you're like a female writer, then and it has every range for you. Also, it comes with a brand spanking new red-black ribbon installed and ready to go, and has stencil option down here. That's what it's on right now. It also has felt pads inside to make your typing experience a little quieter, so you don't disturb the neighbors or the passengers on the plane or wherever you're typing with this wonderful little portable. You can type anywhere on it, guaranteed. Alright, so let's do a typing test. The typing test that you'll be using is the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog, which uses every letter of the alphabet to see if there's anything wrong with the keys. Alright. Alright. And as you can see here, Quick Brown Fox jumps over the lazy dog. And a great impression, great little typeface, nice font. It's just an all-around wonderful little portable. So yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Right now it's for $175 plus shipping on my website, DeLuxe Typewriter Company. You can Google that, or you can just go to the link in the little blue box by this YouTube video. So yeah, thanks for watching. Oh, and one other thing, I wanted to show you one of my milestones in this business, and that is this newspaper. The Enterprise is a local Southern Maryland newspaper that reports all around local news here. Look at that. That's me. Teen turns typewriter into specialty business. Let me just get that section out for you. I contacted this newspaper, and they were more than happy to do a full-page full-page article on me. Isn't that an awesome picture? Titan of the typewriter. That's pretty catchy, I think. Kibler, 15, finds his niche in specialty business, repairing and restoring machines for those who eschew typewriters. Yeah, so thanks, the Enterprise. I really appreciate it. Appreciate all the work you did for me. I just got contacted by the Washington Post, so hopefully that turns out good, alright. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Once again, if you have any questions, feel free to message me on YouTube or email me at typerestore@gmail.com. typerestore@gmail.com. Alright, that's about it. Thanks for watching once again. This has been a production of DeLuxe Typewriter Company, now international. Thanks for watching, and yeah, see you later.